Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cocktails with Drew. I'm your host, Drew. This is my guest, Jesse. We're going to be making today a Espresso Martini. So, first off, we're going to start with the shaker, and we're going to pour 2 ounces of the vodka. So, Jesse, if you'll do the honors, please, to pour the vodka in the 2 ounce, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 1 ounce, 2 ounces vodka.
To the top?
To the top. All right. And we're going to pour it in the shaker. Oh, wow. Great pour. Pretty impressive.
Thank you.
That's why I had him on the show. So, that's what we do here. We make everything happen, and it's all perfect. So, we're going to then pour in some Kahlua. So, do you know how much Kahlua we're going to pour in?
No, how much?
1/4 of an ounce of Kahlua, actually.
All right.
So we're going to flip it around.
Huh?
All right. 1 ounce, and then it actually shows you on the inside of the, whatchamacallit. So you're just going to pour it up to the 1/4 of the ounce line.
That's only got a 1/2 ounce line in there.
Well, then just put that to the 1/2 of the 1/2 ounce then. Wouldn't that make sense? All right. So we're going to pour that into the shaker.
Just want to make sure I'm doing you proud.
Well, you're going to be the one drinking it, so it's however good that you want to make it. So now we're going to pour in some Nocino, which is actually a walnut flavored liqueur and not part of the recipe, but it is delectable. And what does that smell like?
Walnuts.
Well, look at that. So we're going to pour in however much you think would be good in this cocktail. I wouldn't do 2 ounces. That would be ridiculous. So yeah. Perfect. 1/4 of an ounce as well. We'll go with that. And now we're going to do, instead of simple syrup, we're going to do a vanilla bean infused simple syrup, which is delectable. So we're going to take that and we're going to put in 1/2 of an ounce.
1/2 ounce.
Right. We're on the road to success here. Wow, look at that. Perfect. That's why I have him on the show. All right, so we're going to now take the espresso, which was pre-made.
Is that also delectable?
It is also delicious. We're not going to use the same word twice.
You
So.
already used it twice.
Well, we're not going to use it 3 times then, are we? So we're going to put the espresso into the, we're going to need this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do 1.5 ounces of the espresso.
All right.
Don't spill it. Wow, look at that. That's why we have him on the show, isn't it? That was actually very... Okay, well, that was the easy part, but... Perfect, and nevertheless, and delectable. So we're going to now, what do we do now? We're going to, the ice. So we're going to take some ice out.
How many cubes?
Well, you eyeball it. You know, what do you think is a good amount?
Well, we got 1 solid cube here.
It's been sitting there for a while. Take number 385. Just kidding, this is actually the first take.
First take every time. Let's go 1 more.
Make sure to get your hands all over it.
Mm.
All right, now what are we going to do?
Drink it.
Slam the head of the glass on the table like
Okay.
we always do. And then we're going to shake it.
Like such?
Yeah, hold both ends. There you go. Smile at the camera. That's right. Perfect. No, more All right.
How are we feeling about that?
I actually like that a lot. That was great. So now we're going to take both of them out. And we are going to get a chilled glass.
Chilled glass.
Out of the freezer. We're going to pour that in there.
This whole thing?
Whole thing. Wow. Now that looks great. Incredible. Perfect pour. That's why we have them on the show.
All right.
And now we're going to, we're going to drop some espresso beans out of the sky, apparently. Great. And on the floor. Thanks a lot. And we're going to now douse it, or drizzle, not douse. Douse is the wrong word. Drizzle.
Douse it.
No, put your finger over the cap.
Like such.
Yeah, you want to get your hands all over every part of the cocktail. And then you're just going to drizzle a little bit of Godiva chocolate liqueur in there. Wow, look at that.
How many ounces are we going for here?
Well, we're not measuring, so we don't know. But I think if we haven't forgotten something, we're done.
All set here?
Where
all
are the
set.
coffee beans at?
Well, the coffee beans fell out of the sky. We've already been over that. Let's try it. How's that?
Pretty terrible.
Well, it's supposed to be good, but... All right. That's another episode of Cocktails with Drew. Cheers.
Until next time.